The journey begins, shading the shadows, outline the soul. Piece by piece, the artwork takes control. Erase the dust falling like silver rain. Life in the paper through every grain. Draw it, blow, let the pencil flow. Three swords shining, Roronoa Zoro. Line by line, let the whole world know. A warrior appears from the sketch below. Through the dark and through the glow, power awakened with every stroke. From empty paper to a hero's soul, rising alive, Roronoa Zoro. Blade on the left side, blade on the right, steel in his spirit, ready to fight. Details growing deeper with every shade. Strength and honor in the marks I made. Eyes full of fire, fearless and calm. Power in motion inside my palm. Paper and graphite turn into art. Every single line comes straight from the heart. The silence breaks with the pencil sound. A warrior's presence all around. From rough sketch lines to the final glow, the legend stands. Roll, let the pencil flow. Three swords shining, Roronoa Zoro. Line by line, let the whole world know. A warrior appears from the sketch below. Through the dark and through the glow, power awakened with every stroke. From empty paper to a hero's soul, rising alive, Roronoa Zoro. Final highlight, final trace. Now the warrior stands in his place. From pencil dust to a fearless show, alive on the page, Roronoa Zoro. Roronoa Roronoa Zoro.
White page in the hush, pencil in my hand. I draw the first small line and call on Roronoa Zoro. Calm before the storm.